took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill.
Masasabi ko lang po sa aking anak bilang isang ina ay hindi ko po masasabi na siya ay isang perfectong tao. Pero sa nakikita ko po na mga kaibigan, sa dami po ng kaibigan na nakiramay sa amin, nakadalamhati sa amin, ay masasabi kong ang anak ko ay isang mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, batay doon sa mga sinasabi ng mga taong dumamay sa amin. Wala siyang ginawang masama sa kapwa niya. Naging mabuting kaibigan, naging mabuting anak, naging mabuting kapatid, kamag-anak. Masakit man po sa kalooban na kami po ay iniwan niya nang walang anumang pahiwatig. Pero ang aking pong anak ay sa aking palagay ay nasa mabuting kamay sa kaharian ng ating Panginoon. At pinipilit po namin na tanggapin unti-unti yung kanyang pagkawala. Salamat anak ko sa masasayang araw na ibinahagi mo sa amin. Salamat sa mga gawain na mabubuti, sa mga katangiang ipinakita mo sa amin, maging sa iyong kapwa. At palagi mo kaming binibigyan ng kasiyahan, and you always make us proud sa mga achievement mo mula nang ikaw ay nag-aaral hanggang sa ngayon na ikaw ay miyembro ng iba't ibang samahan ng simbahan at maging sa iyong trabaho bilang isang guro. Sana kung saan ka man naroroon ay maging payapa ka sa lahat ng oras at gabayan mo kami, si Mama, si Bia, saka si Papa, na unti-unti ay matanggap yung paglisan mo dito sa buhay namin. Pero pinapangako ko anak na you will always be in our heart forever.
Hallelujah, you are an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings and I know that when God took you back, He said, hallelujah, you're home.
It's not how long we held each other's hand. What matters is how well we loved each other. It's not how far we traveled on our way, but what we found to say. Not the spring we've seen, but all the shades of green. It's not how long I held you in my arms. What matters is how sweet the years together. Not how many summertimes we had to give to fall. Early morning smile we tearfully recall. What matters most is that we love. It's not how many summertimes we had to give to fall. Early morning smile we tearfully recall. What matters most is that we love alone. What matters most is that we love
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Why'd you have to leave so soon? Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to leave me when I needed you the most? 'Cause I don't really know how to tell you without feeling much worse. I know you're in a better place, but it's always gonna hurt. Carry on, give me all the strength I need to carry on. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. How do I breathe without you? I'm feeling so cold. I'll be waiting right here for you till the day you're home. Carry on, give me all the strength I need to carry on. So let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Ooh, when I see you again, see you again. Oh,
May babalik ba ang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman. Doon tayo nagsimula magharap at tumula. Natatandaan mo ba ba? Inukit kong puso sa punong mangga at ang inalay kong gumamela. Magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno at halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita. Sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Ngayong ikaw ay nagbalik at tulad ko rin ng iyong pananabik, pakitang dating kanluran, tahanan ng ating tula at pagkarap. Ngayon ay naglaho na, saan hahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ang ating gunita. Ang mga puno at halaman, bakit kailangan lubisan? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ang ating gunita. Ang mga puno at halaman, bakit kailangan lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik